Sanibonani wengane zakwethu, ake nginibingelele ngiphinde nginamukele. Kuphinda kuphi-ke la kuzofinyelela khona le video wengane wethu. Kungambe uqala-ke ungena kule channel ngicela ukunezele usubscribe. Umqeqeshi we-Kaizer Chiefs uMoli Fintech usekuvumile-ke ukuthi angakujabulela kuba noSibongiseni Ox Mthethwa eqenjini lakhe. Uzo-ke ukuthi ngabe-ke inkinga ekephi-ke uma-ke kunjalo. Cishe-ke ukuthi-ke i-Stellenbosch FC-ke la u-Ox-ke eneyinkontileka khona njengamanje isibeke-ke u-15 million-ke eqenjini limfunayo. Kuyona-ke le channel wengane zakwethu siye sakubikela-ke ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs-ke iphinde yanikela-ke kwisitelezi siphethe-ke u-8 million iyocela-ke ukudayisela-ke lo mdlali, kodwa-ke ifike yathola-ke ukuthi-ke imali-ke seyinyukile, sekufuneka-ke u-15 million ngoba-ke isikhathi esisele-ke ukuthi liqembu-ke lithole omunye umdlali-ke sesincane kakhulu. Kulesine-ke uNtseki-ke ubuziwe-ke ngalamahebezi-ke ukuthi-ke abahalela-ke lo mdlali oneminyaka engu-28 wasemvundleni-ke Mtshezi. Ngicabanga ukuthi-ke into ebalulekile-ke ukuthi njalo-ke uma kunomdlali omuhle-ke abantu bazomatanisa-ke ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Usho kanje-ke umqeqeshi wamakhosi-ke ebuzwa, kodwa-ke ngicabanga ukuthi kuyinto-ke ejwayelekile ukuthi-ke iqembu elifana ne-Kaizer Chiefs-ke laphana-ke lihlezi-ke libheke-ke abadlali abasezingeni eliphezulu-ke ukuqinisa iqembu. Ngakho-ke igama likaMthethwa-ke lisimatheni-ke njengoba laphana kuthiwa-ke uza kwi-Chiefs, futhi baningi nabanye abadlali-ke okuleli-ke okuthiwa-ke kukhulunywa ngabo-ke kuthiwa-ke beza kumakhosi, kodwa-ke engakusho-ke ukuthi-ke ungumdlali osezingeni eliphezulu. Singakujabulela-ke ukuba naye-ke noma yinini-ke uma-ke etholakala, noma yinini-ke uma singaba nawo-ke amandla okumlanda ngoba-ke umdlali omuhle kakhulu kuphetha laphana-ke uMoli Fintech. Abalandeli be-Kaizer Chiefs sokaningi-ke benxenxa leqembu-ke ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi-ke lilande u-Ox-ke laphana uMthethwa. Abanye-ke baze bathi-ke bazimisele-ke ukuphosa-ke onsombululwane-ke ukuze kuhlangane imali edingakalayo-ke ukumthenga. Sisekuzo-ke ethinta i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke uMoli Fintech uphinde waphawula-ke laphana-ke ngokubuya-ke kuka-Kick Dolly ovele izwele-ke la wengane yakwethu.
Just to be more direct, is Keegan Dolly available?
Keegan Dolly just played his first 45 minutes last week when he played friendly, and I think we all know what type of an injury that he sustained, so it's not going to be just a quick return into play. I think he's still going through back to play protocols, tactically, physically, but the most important thing, I think mentally he's very strong. He looks sharp in terms of his tactical understanding of the game. So hopefully in the next week or so he will be available for selection.
Wenza wethu-ke ngiyathemba-ke nizwele-ke uyena-ke uMoli Fintech-ke lo ephawula laphana-ke ngo-Kick Dolly. Mina sengiphuma njalo-ke ngiyintatheli yebhola yaku-YouTube. Maqala-ke ukubona le video nomngena kule channel yethu, cigcinezele usubscribe.